Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B, you know me, and I just got my Sephora plate in the mail, and I just wanted to share with you guys, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays to everyone. This is just a Sephora plate unboxing, and then I had like a little special like Christmassy type of video on Christmas, then after Christmas Day is another video and then another video. Okay, my cat just want to bother me. Anyway, let's get into this box. If you don't know what Sephora Play is a $10 a month subscription that you get 5 sample size products so you could like try stuff out that's in store, and also one bonus item. You used to get a play pass with 50 points, but I guess they're stopping that now. And that's the reason why I kept the box. So if they still don't do it in 2020, if they don't do it in January and January's box is dud, I will be canceling Sephora Play. Let's get into the box. So this is what the box is looking like with the play pass. And then here's the where it says show off and share using hashtag Sephora Play. And then yeah. It says, and the play award goes to, and it's just like really cute little end of the year stuff. And I got variation A. If it can focus. Okay, it's not focusing. Well, you'll see a little bit of it. This is what the bag is looking like. It's like a purple. And I'm just going to dump all the products out. Okay, I'm not liking what I'm seeing. This is the Mika volumizing shampoo and conditioner. They had a choice between this and a living proof one, and you guys know I love living proof. So I don't care if I got it in it already. I would have liked the living proof instead of this sample. I won't be using this. I will be giving it to someone else. Probably in one of my mystery boxes, or I'm just going to give it to my godmother if she likes the Mika brand. That was just the bonus item. Now on to the good stuff. No, this. Okay, the first real item, so the second item in the box, is the Dr. Brandt Needless No More Baggage. This is a eye serum, like an eye cream. Say no long to dark circles and hello to brighter, more well-rested look of eyes. This advanced gel visibly tightens and smooths delicate under eye skin. Chosen for your skin concern. Okay, I could deal with this. This is what it looks like out the tube, and this is what it looks like rubbed into the skin. It goes to clear with a little tint. It has no smell, so that's a good thing. The next thing is the Smashbox Super Fan Mascara. I gotten this in the past, and I haven't tried it yet. So because I haven't tried it yet, I will give this one away and use the one I have. Okay, Fresh. I love the Fresh brand, but I kind of wish that I got the Soy Face Cleanser, the mini one. This is the Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream. Cute packaging. I love every Fresh cream that I've gotten. This is what the packaging looked like, and it smells like rose. I didn't even have to take the seal off. I could smell it through the seal, and I know I will not use this because it heavily scented smell like rose, and I'm not a fan of rose. So 3 out of 6 products I am not going to be using, but this I am. This is the Way Body Lotion. This is a new thing. This is their body cream. They usually have the body scrub, the body and hair scrub, but this is the body cream, and I can't wait to smell it. This is what it looks like, and it smells fresh. Okay, this is just a regular lip oil. Again, this is what my hand looks like, and it smells like a very like powdery substance, like lemon and powdery, not this, the lotion. And this is what the lip oil looks like. And that's it, blended in. This is the box. And out of all, I like 3 out of 6 products. I like the Way body cream, the lip oil, and the eye cream. The other 3 I could use without, but half is not bad. So I hope you guys like this video. Have a great day, have a great night, have a great holiday, and bye you guys. Mwah! Just like put that there, and a product shot.